As with any camping trip, it's best to be prepared. We had a little bit of a water leak in the palazzo. Luckily, I got me one of these water filters and we're gonna get this thing fixed right up. A lot of the time whenever you're upgrading parts on your RV, you'll find out that the upgraded parts are actually better than what came from the manufacturer. On our upgraded water filter, which is pretty standard at any RV dealership, we actually have a purge valve right here, which surprisingly the bracket already had a hole for. Considering it didn't come from the factory, I was a little bit surprised, but you can always purge to make sure you don't have any air in your water lines. If you have a socket set, you can just go ahead and pull out the bolts that are right above the actual water filter itself. That way you can undo these screws. Whenever I was looking at this originally, I was trying to figure out how am I gonna get a screwdriver whenever it's just, you know, a flat back right there. Originally, I thought I was gonna have to take apart this whole housing, but that's not necessarily the case. If you take apart the bracket right behind it, it'll come apart very, very easily. Whenever this unit was being winterized, someone didn't take off the water filter, which caused a big stress crack right there. I'm assuming some water froze up and then just pressurized in here, causing the crack itself. You take off the inline and the outline, and that's gonna remove the water filter. Whenever you have the water filter off, you're gonna just take out these 4 screws right here, and it'll make it really easy to go ahead and put that onto your new water filter. Then you're gonna reattach your inline and your outline, bolt it right back up, and then you're gonna be set to go.
Wade's RV.